But could you picture artillery? You could tell where the artillery stands were by the mounds. And this is where the powder magazine was. I mean, this is history right in your own backyard. Granted, it's like 36 degrees here in December, but history, Civil War site, Pilot Knob, Missouri. I came here in 2020, and I'm revisiting again because, you know, it's all about history, and we need to preserve this, and we don't want the past to repeat itself.
Were you from the Confederate Army? Yes or no?
And there's a mass. We're standing right the mass burial site right here.
Can you see us?
So we have Civil War soldiers buried.
Okay. So oh, you man.
Is anyone here? And for those, we are at the Battle of Pilot Knob. Right here where we're standing is a mass burial grave, and we do respect you. Thank you for your service. September 27, 1864. How many's here? Can you give us a number? How many's here? Do you have anything for us to say? Or for us to know? I know there's probably a lot of traffic. There's a road. Are you happy? Are you in a good place? Yes or no?
And hell for me.
Wait, what? In hell for me.
Do you wish people would respect and understand history so we don't repeat it? How old were some of the soldiers that passed away here?
That's what? What's your name?
What's your name? Do you have a name?
and photo me.
How old are you?
You're old.
So, just tell me I'm old. You hear that?
Mhm.
You're old. How old am I? Why am I old?